Hey, welcome once again. I'm going to make this very snappy, very quick. Yeah, welcome and thank you to all of those who are watching me. Yeah, yesterday the video I made, right, about, why no African should put any blame at the doorstep of the President of America, Donald Trump, but we should rather blame the African politicians, the traditional leaders, the religious leaders, the businessmen in Africa, and I mean all those who are concerned with the development of Africa. Those are the ones we should be angry at, not angry at the President of America, who has nothing to do with, I mean literally, the President of America has nothing to do with the development of Africa. I mean, you can take me up on this and we can have a conversation about it. Yeah, so following up on the video I made yesterday about this issue, one of my friends, my fans suggested to me that instead of just doing it in English, I should do it in both English and the local language. So, well, you already know what I said yesterday in English, and basically whatever I said centers around the fact that health is wealth. Health is wealth. So any leader that is concerned about the health of his people or her people or his citizen or his citizens, then it means that leader has the best of, the citizens at heart of that particular country. And in Ghana, we can all attest to the fact that apart from the first President Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the subsequent leaders, maybe I would say President Kufuor, who came up with, his government came up with some policies like the National Health Insurance. That was a very good policy. So, of course, he is also concerned about the health of the people, and for that matter, the wealth of the people. When it comes to the NDCs and the MPPs, apart from President Kufuor, they all don't care. Kufuor's government didn't care about the health of the people. Mr. Mahama, President Mills, they all didn't care. Why am I saying this? And especially the recent MPP government, Nana Addo Dankwa's government and the NDC government, Mr. Mahama's government. Why am I saying they don't care about the health of the people? Because look at what Galamsey has done to the water bodies in Ghana, right? Yeah. So basically, if you are destroying water, water is life. Water is life. So if a government is supervising over an activity or actions that go to destroy the water bodies, the very source where we get our nutrients from, because it's from this water that we get all the nutrients that nourishes our farmlands, all the nutrients that our bushmeat get, right? The grass cutters, the deers, the antelopes, and all the bushmeat, they drink from the water, and they drink from the rivers, the springs, the streams, whatever you want to call it. So if the NDC and the MPP government, they are supervising over activities and actions that go to pollute our rivers, our water bodies, you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Galamsey. So that is that. The NDC and the MPP, I keep telling you, they don't care. The NDC, we should let these guys know that we are not fools, we are not stupid. Yeah. If they care, why is it that when they fall sick, they will travel outside, right? When they fall sick, they will travel outside of Ghana to seek medical attention. I'll say whatever I said a little bit in Twi. So in the American say Ghana for Sabi yemu bino wa wo hwe me bia me da wase. Wa hwe me bia me da wase. Yemu bino ye ba anase ntentan so anase internet so ne be kasa. Enye se kasa ne pe kasa o. Enye se kasa ne pe kasa. Na sabi o sabi mpe aduasa. Monimu a akwantu ani petu na say kwa de ontu kwan kra ya o betimi atena ana sententa no so hu say amman bebre etumpon amman bi a omu ni de Ghana ni kra no efa no agudi a Ghana won kra etumpon nti adenti na Ghana de yentumi ntumpon na me pese ye nyina ye hu say unim asama me beken makapen what be obabi da ba ebia ye se de what nso wonte ye what nso efa ha na apia fa ha Ghana NDC ni MPP omo ndwen oman ne ho de meka say nyina ne say oman bia ana say obia odi oman enim bia odwen ne man ho no amanfo no apomu den ehia mpanyifo no ba Ghana man no ya pomu den amanfo na pomu den ehia NDC ni MPP se amanfo na pomu den ehia NDC ni MPP a yembisa ye ho se aden inti na se politician ni bi yare a obekọ abrochi akosa no yare aden inti na se ohimpon bi yare a ana se ohimapon bi yare a obekọ abrochi akosa no yare aden inti na se soja ni panyi bi police ni panyi bi yare a obekọ abrochi akosa no yare aden inti na business ni panyi bi yare obekọ abrochi akosa no yare aden inti na asofo mpanyimfo bi yare a won bekọ abrochi akosa won ho yare ni patitire we amabo won den nyina no won na nka ese wo hwe se oman no ebeyeye nanso won hwe se oman ebeyeye apart from yen a obedi oman Ghana so kan ye president Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah osi Kolebu Teaching Hospital ben biom yen dwen wo hospital ben biom na Ghana yesi a eni Kolebu empempen so etise Kolebu empempen so hospital bi ani ho semahu na me pese metwuma adwen ba so se obia odi oman anim no se odwen nipa ne ho a obadwen won apomuden enso ho nti me pese woti ase se Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na nani wo Ghana mindba apomuden na you're very much interested in the health of the Ghanaian compared to NDC MPP and now omo we so mahu nti me pese ye nyina ye hu se NDC MPP we omo ndwen Ghana for ye hu omo ndwen ye hu a akomo fa galamse ense ye nsuo hwe ene kokolebu kokonfo no twe kohwe won a kidney diseases adokrom kohwe won a o yare kidney akrawa mu yare monko na monkohwe yati oman mu na mpanyimfo a sese omohwe se oman no ebekoso no na wo kwa na eboa ama oman na boa wo proman ni ye mo ma ye ma ye ka ne san mi free ha mi free se me som se no papa ye mu na mo ma ye ma ne fa no kware endi yen anim mo ma ye fa no kware endi anim na me de mi dewura me bo nyina no me se Ghana fo mu se Ghana ni bia no o se fata se ubedi ye Ghana ni bia se fata se ubedi ye o enye politician nko a enye osofo panyin nko a enye ohimpo nko a enye soja ni panyin nko a enye police ni panyin nko a na se odi ye Ghana ni bia Nyankopon abo wa owo Ghana man mu no ese se usu di ye na MPP ni NDC we am wo hodi omo mpese ebedi ye kura yensu so omo sansen no adenti na omo de omo yare no makwa abrochire adenti na yentumi NC hospital papa e wo Ghana hwe me be bia wani wo bibi ho Koko clinic a e wo Ghana no bisa ho sa hefo na enya akwanya na Koko clinic no eye sabe ohiani a odokoko afo wo fa body beto me chok na ana se fa atwe bebo me ate ana onya kwan Koko clinic no Dabi o impanyifo na what motete nkro kese wo Ghana no nkran no wo mo no munya akwanya na Koko clinic okrasi ni ohia ni Koko farmer na owo ekura na ase no yembisa ye ho oyare a hospital ben na oko clinic ben na oko somahu Ghana for moma ye nimbre o moma ye nimbre na NDC ni MPP omo ndwi oman ne ho NDC ni MPP omo ndwe oman ne ho na so omo dwe oman ne ho anka omo yare a omo tu kwan efi kronim ade no mo nsi hospital papa o Ghana kronim na ye nyina ye ntra kronim na ye say omo say oman no na omo yare omo tumi akọ baabi akọkwesa omo yare eye menya ho say o ye NDC ni o ye MPP ni nti obi ye bone kra untumi nka ye mu bi ho a ye dewura ye bo no ye hu say wiase ye de hwe nsuo ye de aduane ye de nkwan ye de ensa ye de enam ye de now so your politicians the omo mpe say ye beji ye ni first na me da say wo hwe me nhwe me nkwa comment na forward share na ye indicate ye ho because who ye Ghana ni a Yankopon amfa wan beto Ghana say bra na bedi hia there be Yankopon ambo wan to Ghana say ba bedi hia me dey down in pipe boni say anka MPP no ebegu seriously anya ne boni mo eye papa mu say MPP no engu na nka omonti party fufro enfi MPP nim because say sia no MPP no won a ye kan say won wa wokita MPP no ekra no wonye ne papa fo seriously ye hwe corruption etitiri die a ekoso wo MPP a atwam yi mu a Ghana fo ntimo mbra ne corruption ye mudi ye enye ye MPP corruption NDC corruption adena yensi sasa party mienu wen na yensu yenya party a eba be di Ghana ni ma edi ebe ma Ghana afa ne ntoma papa efra na obia ho ento na okronim ye de ye nyina no ye mpe bibia mfitwi mu ye pese Ghana ni bia ndi ye na daachi bi no Yankopon aboa me na mabedu fie a sabe me shemata de bi me di meduane bia obi ani anko breme because onyonko da ne onda ba ye mu bebre ne yandwe ne sa onam ho na se 1 me na ekomodi obi a guess what wa 1 me na woti ofie papa mu no ona okronfo oba be target o ene Ghana obi afeel say oh my see dan kese me wo car say me won krama wo me fie me wo CCTV nti oh yeah okay no you're not okay ye maame mu wotu kwan na wo kodwa ye hwese ne akronfo etata wom wo kwan so Ghana for mama ye nembre na ye ndwen na ye tisa ya brabo fi MPP ni NDC me de minya ya se ne Andra meka ne de bia me bohu de ro no anka Mr. Jako na anka ye energy minister Kennedy Japan na Kwame Bediako Mr. Kantanka osofo Kantanka Motors Alan Omonti party fufro na ye Ghana mfa ne ntoma papa mfra na MPP we already omondwen Ghana for NDC for so boya mo amonim ye cheche dollars okwan so ye cheche cash ni ade me ne nsa obi sika na obi ka o cheche na won wa cheche cash o cheche dollars no wo baba mu time ben adwuma ben na oye ahene etua wo mo maka che mu Ghana for say moma yembisa na yem publish it from the president to the last laborer obia salary ni obia allowances na say president ni salary ni allowance ni laborer wo salary ni allowance ni a na obehwe say NDC ni MPP wo pe Ghana for ye a obehwe say oye nurse ni oye teacher ni oye typist oye say na ohwe allowances ankrofo ye age politicians age na still omuguso wiye yesika na omuhwe say man ne bekoso na bekoso ye NDC ni MPP a na se wara na mo fa mo ha embeto sebe yenya ye wo amanone no mo fa mo ha meto yeso because yakasa kire mo ache yakasa kire mo amuntie NDC ni MPP almost 40 years 4 decades almost 40 years ni opese wo ye Ghana yi anka won ya deda opese wo ye Ghana yi anka won ya deda o Ghana yi yo ehia omo edenti na se sanka baby to say Western region gold cocoa bauxite BBF you know ansanka nkwala betra school dey mu anka eswati apansan obekọ be bia ye 2 gold no na just nipa na nam ho no kura no hwe nipa ne skin na obekase nipa no ndidi ade na se ba ne sa hwe sesia untumi ndi ntro hwe Alaska oil omutu oil afi bia obi a oti Alaska bia no you can find out this you can find it this on the internet you can do your research obi a oti Alaska bia no onya check obi oti Alaska bia nya check for the year from the oil proceeds I don't think Ghana a good day be brave Yankopon dey share no mining companies oil companies bauxite these places a whole lot of places. Nyankopon the name be breshine. Is a politician in Kwan. You don't need to become a politician and send away the year or Ghana. As you see, you have the right leadership. Moment forget about NDC and MPP. Me de manu besi na me de manu si no. Dwen hu biom asema make bisa ono. Say politicians omo dwen Ghana for ho a. Anka omo yare anka omo ntu kwan enko abroche ngo sam ho yare. Kom be hwe say hospitals, clinics ewo Ghana no eye papa aye nyina betumi asa ye ho yare ewo Ghana. Say ne papa mu a ade na won de wo yare a. Thank you for watching. I don't know what area or betu kwan. Now one should say man Ghana no hospitals, ne clinics are a show be a pepe. Green who ye? I said my maybe sound green who ye. Almost sell man, almost domunim say, almost yaromi to me to kwan baby or some yare. Green who? Yeah. Into Ghana, or African, New Nigeria, New Cameroon, he found. Men may blame Trump. Say Trump, I say Trump, I say. Sabi o webusuam no webusuam to me anhwew na obi agye watena ne nche na omo bibi kakra di a unko blame sa akrofo no webusuam na be blame it will be blame Trump and Trump IVS I say and Trump immigration say yeah it's about time ma ye be siesie ye continent na youth no anya adwuma ye na yatena ye krom amana no ya yete a ye tu kwan anya say ye pew ye ni mia any bre and edit obi manso kodaki it doesn't matter the oye udibia oye obroni ombu. That's the bottom line. Ukromu ya ka ombetino obroni krom ti mama ye name bre ya politicians ne so ya hemfo so ya sofo so impanyifo mo Ghana krom ho no oye nchichi ye kro yie na enja se de bia ye ndie na ya soa ye kuku nkaka na ye tie nkrofo man so na ye kan ya asem kire ye na ye di ye ni me de manu besi ese me ye fast ekotwa job answer me supervisor one fire me nti me de manu besi peace and love to you. Why we should be on me that was me pa mo cho mo comment mo share mo ideas na mo share videos no na message no enko achi me da mo nyina se Yakopon on share nyina se ne ada ye ka no ukono mo nsa me nkotwika ukotwika nso a me nkono mo nsa udidi ano wedidi kakra bi omo ano why fasting now body no use some of your stored energy why and you be chia obi a Yakopon share nyina me do obi ase once again peace and love to you. Now do the naso so na yemwa me that's it. Bye bye.